Welcome to Slide Egg. Let's get started with creating a flip card animation in PowerPoint. Now, insert 4 images that are all the same size and select them all at once. Then, choosing the Align Center option. After that, move the images over to the left side of the slide, just outside the slide boundary. Next, insert a rectangle shape and drag it across the slide. Right-click the shape and choose Format Shape. Now, right-click the image and select the Cut option. Then, click on the image on the right, go to Fill, and choose Picture or Texture Fill. Paste the image by clicking the clipboard icon, and you'll see the shape transform into the image. Now, add a text box to the slide and type in your text. Go back to the image and select it again. This time, go to the Shadow option and choose the bottom right shadow style. Adjust the transparency to 48% and set the blur to 9 points. Once you've done that, duplicate the slide. Select the image, then go to the Rotate option and click Flip Horizontal. Now, repeat the process. Right-click to cut the image, select the image on the right and apply Picture or Texture Fill. Then, paste it by clicking the clipboard. Duplicate the slide again, select the image, and flip it horizontally. Right-click to cut the image, select the right side image, and paste it using the Picture or Texture Fill option. Finally, duplicate the slide one more time, select the image, and flip it horizontally again. Right-click to cut the image, select the right side image, and paste it with the clipboard. Now that all your slides are ready, select them all, go to the Transitions tab, and choose the Morph transition. And that's it. You've just created an amazing flip card animation in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this tutorial.